Brian here with the West Automotive Group. Hey, today we're talking about the most common repairs we see in a shop today. And I thought it'd be great information just to bring you so that you know what we need to keep an eye on when you get in for your regular oil changes and that. Basically, brakes are the number one. And as I'm sure everybody knows, brakes are a wearable item, so brakes do wear out. We try to catch them before they wear out so bad as to destroy the rotors. So keeping a good eye on the brakes every 5,000 miles is a great idea. And from that, we can keep you informed on when you need new brakes. Suspension components, they do wear out over time. A lot of them come with plastic inserts from the manufacturer. As mileage goes up, often we'll see you're getting up towards 80 to 100,000 miles. These will be a concern and they start to wear out. In doing so, they also take the tires with them, unfortunately. So tires are another thing that we see a lot of replacement. All these items are pretty much wear items. The one item that we do see, though, that is not a wear item pretty much is tire pressure monitors. Little batteries in these bad boys fail after a little bit, and that light comes on and stays on until we replace them as far as that goes. And the only other thing we didn't put out here, but it's timing belts. But the number of vehicles with timing belts is diminishing now, so we'll see less of those. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
Watch for the Automan Fridays on the CW San Diego, sponsored by the West Automotive Group.